Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today, I representative our group to explain about the tasks that have been given in CLO3 project in the subject Capstone Entrepreneurship 2 is the advancement technology that need to be implemented in the business. So we choose a laundry machine development. The first one, we need to know the key researcher. The first one is me, Ambri. The second one is Hafizzuddin. The third one, Ahmad Amirul. And the last one is Ahmad Afif Uzair. So what the kind of problem that we found in this laundry machine, which is still using a token on every self-use laundry. The second one, the customer don't know when the laundry time is over and they need to be alert. The third one, they need to convert money into a token to use a washing machine or a dryer. So what the current solution that our competitor does? So we have identified a few company which is Dobi Kawan, Laundry Hub, Laundry Bar. So the solution that they make is expand the token machine into the two machine on each brand and have a display screen on the machine. So for the advantage, they can speed up for the changing money to the token and have a sound alert only after the laundry done. But they are still using a token to use the machine and people not alert with the sound when go to the other place. So after we found the problem, now we have our solution, which is we use this product to be developed is washing machine and dryer that use a online payment and notification system, or better known as the cashless method. This product simplifies payment and tell when the laundry time is over. Exactly, we will use a QR code system to be implemented in this project. So what is the benefit of this system? So the benefit for the customer is it makes it as a cashless, no need to pay for a token, save time, and customer will be more alert when the laundry done. But the benefit to our company is get a customer database, cashless payment method, and more safety, and reduce the maintenance cost. So we have do a research for our technology. The first one, the technology is using a IoT, Internet of Things, and combination of the two system, online payment and notification system that will be applied into the washing machine and dryer machine. What is the unique of our technology is it a cashless machine, save time, and will give a notification when the laundry is complete. For the previous related project, there are no related project that involved in this project. So the last one is the intellectual property protection. This product or this technology need to be patent and licensed. For the technology status, the availability of prototype that we can see on the parking ticket machine that is using QR code, online payment and notification system. And the current scale of technology is they still use a digital and use a token process, machine already produced by the manufacturer. So the next stage of this technology that we want to implement is input online payment and notification system into the machine and use a QR code. And the second one, we need a certification of the final production, which is for example, we need a TNB label or the serum certificate. So we have choose our partner or the company that we want to collaborate, which is IGS Resources Sdn Bhd. So what this company do is manufacturing and service company. So they will develop the circuit and the system and apply or input the system into our technology or our machine on the laundry. For the document exchange, still don't have. We need to contact our partner to discuss about it. So next, I will tell the chronology on how to use the system. The first one, we need to download apps and register. The second one, open QR code in the apps. And after that, we just scan the code on the washing machine or dryer. So the QR code will bring you to the online payment and must do the online payment. After done with all that, the payment is approved and you can use the machine as usual. Next, you still get the notification after the washing machine or dryer are done. So that means you will be more alert and more cashless in this technology. So our expected deliverable of collaboration, we want to setting up a commercial production plan. Second one, we need a product and plant certification. And the last one, the most important one, we need a technology licensing for our benefit and our collaboration benefit. That's all from me. Thank you.